Hey, this is Matt. I was driving down Ulmerton today in Clearwater, and I saw this train shop. It's AA model train repair. Buy, sell, trade. Here's the phone number, web address. Let's take a look inside. It's really for the Lionel collector. He says he can order new stuff too, but he has a really large, in stock, nice big locomotives, steam locomotives. They're in the process of making a layout upstairs. I don't collect Lionel, but it's just neat to see trains. Different items. Bunch of cabooses there. He's only been in business a short time, but he has the big parts for the repair shop. Got a lot of inventory. So if you're out there looking for Lionel, give him a call and see if he can hook you up with what you're looking for. Nice big steamer there. And lots of accessories for your layout. Whatever you're looking for. And then he says he has one of the biggest collections of spare parts for Lionel of after war. So, great little shop. Thanks for watching.